Hi, let us talk about a new interesting fact in Python. Please take a closer look at the Python program and try to guess the output of this. In the above mentioned program, we can see that we have stored infinity to a variable x and then we are comparing it with a larger number. Secondly, we have stored negative infinity in the variable y and again we are comparing it with another number. So, can you guess the output of this program? When we run this program in Python, we get the output as this. So, the question arises that how is it actually working in Python? Because in Python, positive infinity is a special value which is larger than all other values. Similarly, negative infinity is also a special value which is smaller than all other values. This is how we define infinities in Python. Hope you enjoyed the video, and in next video we will discuss another interesting fact.